Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today we're gonna make this Christmas coal out of Oreo cookies. So keep watching. Start with 25 to 30 Oreo cookies, and we're gonna put them in this giant freezer bag. Let out all the air in the bag and zip it up. Then we're gonna smash it down with something heavy. I'm using a rolling pin here. And you don't wanna break it down into super fine crumbs. We just wanna break it up a bit. Now just set this aside and we're gonna work on our next part. Now in a large nonstick pot, we're gonna add in 3 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. When the butter is all melted, we're gonna add in 10 ounces of mini marshmallows. And stir until the marshmallows are all melted. And it should liquefy like this. Turn off the heat. Next, we're gonna add in our crushed Oreo cookies. Now add in our crushed Oreo cookies. At this point, you want it to cool a little bit just so you can touch it and handle it, but don't let it cool too much or it hardens up. We're gonna take it and mold it into small little coal-like shapes and put it on some wax paper. So I'm just gonna take a handful and almost size of a large meatball, and we're just going to mold it, and it's kind of like coal is kind of oddly shaped, almost like that. It's almost like a ball, but not quite. And just lay it on the wax paper and let it dry. The best part about this is the shapes don't have to be perfect. I mean, if you've ever seen coal, it's not perfect. If you want the color of the coal to be blacker, you can also add some black food coloring right at the marshmallows when they're done melting before you put in the Oreo cookies. Now it's time for a taste test with our edible coal. Delicious. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this Christmas coal. It was a lot of fun doing this. It's just like Rice Krispie treats, but you're using Oreo cookies instead. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button. Check out this video right here. And until then, I'll see you next time. Christmas coal that you can put in stockings. No. This Oreo cookie Christmas coal. What you can do is add some. Now it's time for the taste test with our